Alright everyone, so I thought I'd make this video real quick. Here is what 14 years of rust on a 2000s Pontiac Grand Am looks like on the bumper reinforcement. This is the original crash bar. Pretty crazy. I tried to watch this one video of a guy who was doing it online and had this stupid annoying watermark in the middle of the video taking up all of the picture. So everything you'll need to do this job is a basic Phillips head to undo the 3 screws right around this corner, and on this there are two pop rivets, those big guys that you just pull right out, and 2 bolts, 2 nuts on that side, 2 nuts on that side, which are just 1/2-inch ones. I had to use a safety rounded off socket remover to get it off, and that's what the new one looks like. Nice and brand new. $75 from Rock Auto shipped. Not too bad.